Hi everybody, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I'm going to be doing my first real tutorial ever on this Yarny Yule tree skirt. A pattern I created and I actually wrote out, so I'll be typing it up. I already made it a second time just to try it out, so this will be my third time using this pattern. So I'm pretty excited about this. Let me know how you guys think it went in the comments below. This is Affordably Crafty, where I teach you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. And today, we're going to be doing one of our Yarny Yule projects. So I have a feature this month of July for Yarny Yule Summer. So what we need today is we need a 5mm crochet hook, or honestly, whatever you're comfortable with using, from like a 4.5 to like a 6. It's just going to make your stitches either smaller or bigger. A pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and a button. Now, I prefer a button with that kind of back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. With that kind of back, the little loop, as opposed to the ones with the holes on top. I just feel like it's easier to sew on and just works better for this project. And I just picked this silver one. Really, it's up to you, your choice of yarn. I used this Vanna's Choice with sequins for this because I had gold and silver up here. I mean, gold and rainbow up here. And then I held it with this Mexicano Aunt Lydia's crochet thread. This time I'm going to be making a different choice. So I am going to be using some of my Tent Sale worsted in the color True Green that I got from the Yarn Factory outlet, Spinrite outlet tent sale that was online this year. And this is not a high quality acrylic. It's just for decoration, decorative. So I am going to be using that together with this white random thing that I think I got in a bag with some other stuff at Goodwill. See, it's got a little bit of yellowing there, but you're really not going to notice it when it's held with this inside that thing. Okay, so I am going to be starting out with some of this skein that I use for some other projects for Yarny Yule. First thing we're going to do throughout this whole project, we're going to be holding together these two yarns, yarn, throughout the whole thing. If you choose to just use a 4-weight, that's fine. If you want to use a 2-weight, this project is very flexible. It's what you want to make of it. I just chose to use a 4-weight and then a smaller like thread type thing with it. That was just my choice. Okay, so what we're going to do first is I'm just going to tie a knot in the end. I know a lot of people do a slip knot here, but guess what? I just find this easier and less frustrating because I have a problem getting the slip knot in. This is not a wearable. So what you're going to do is I just put a double knot here on top of where my hook is. I don't prefer a slip knot. And then we're going to chain. So to chain, you're going to yarn over and pull through. Again, holding both of them together at the same time, you're going to yarn over and pull through. And pull through. Now you don't want to make these super tight so you can get your hook back in later. So I am going to chain 110, and I'll see you back here after you've chained 110. Okay, see you in a minute. Hey guys, so sorry, my phone deleted this portion of my tutorial. So what you're going to do next is you're going to chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, then single crochet in each chain until you reach the end of the row. Sorry, see you guys back in a few minutes. Okay, so I have done single crochet into every chain, and now I'm down at the other end. What we're going to do is we are going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to turn our work. So you've got to chain 3. We're going to put 2 double crochets into the turning chain. So double crochet, wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the same loop that we just did the chain in, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through, wrap your yarn around the hook, go through 2 loops, wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the other 2 loops. All right, now we're going to do another one. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go through, wrap your yarn, pull through. So you have 3 loops on here. Yarn around the hook, pull through 2, yarn around the hook, through the other 2. So you've got a chain of 3, which counts as a double crochet, and 2 more double crochet into that one. Now we're going to, so we chained 1, and we're going to skip 2 spots here. So 1, 2, so we're going to go into this one, a double crochet. So wrap your yarn around the hook. We're going through this one. Go in, wrap around, pull out. Wrap around, pull through, 2, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through the other 2. So you've done 1 double crochet. We're going to do another one into that same loop. Wrap your yarn around and pull through. We've got 2 double crochets. We're going to put another one in there. Another double crochet. So now we're working on a 3rd double crochet. I'm going to do another one. So now our 4th double crochet in the same space. Now we're going to do our 5th double crochet in the same space. Okay, so you have 5 double crochets. Now what we're going to do, chain 1, skip 2, 1, 2, and go into this 3rd one with a double crochet. And that's going to be our pattern for this row. That's going to be our pattern until we get to the end of this row. 5 double crochets into the same spot, chain 1, skip 2 chains, 5 double crochets. Chain 1, skip 2 chains, 5 double crochets. I'll see you when we get to the end of this row. Okay. So you should have 35 5 double crochets after our first one, which was 3 double crochets. And you should be back at the end of the row. And now what we're going to do is we are going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to turn our work. Oops, a little tangled. No biggie. So we're going to turn our work. So we turned our work. And now we're going to double crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook. So we double crocheted. You can see that. Okay. So now what we're going to do, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double crochet into the second chain. So we skip one, and we go into the second chain. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing again. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go into the second chain. So that's here. Double crochet. Yeah, I'm going to get in there. I'm double crocheting. Okay. Now we're going to repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Chain 5, double crochet and second chain from the hook. Chain 5, double crochet and second chain from the hook. Okay, see you back at the other end. Alright, so I have reached the end of my row. We're at the end of that row. And next we are going to chain 5. We're going to chain 5. So 1, I just turned my work. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to single crochet into the first space. So we're going to single crochet right into here. So I'm going to go into my space, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both. Then we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to single crochet into the top of my double crochet. So it should look like that. So now we're going to chain 5, single crochet into the space here. So that's going to be your pattern for this row. Chain 5, single crochet in the top of the double crochet. Chain 5, single crochet into the space. Chain 5, single crochet in top of the double crochet. Chain 5, single crochet in the space. I will see you back when we get to the end of the row. As you can see, I'm at the end here. And what you're going to do now is you're going to leave about a 12-inch tail. We're going to cut and fasten off. And we're going to fasten off, and then we're going to attach our button with our tail. And we are going to attach it, see right here, where there is this spot where a bunch of different pieces meet. We're going to attach that right there with the tail. So I'll be back in 1 minute. So then once you have your button attached, you're just going to find a spot in the back where it fits through. See, I've put it on the bottom. You just kind of tuck it in, make sure it's all straight. And there you have your Yarny Yule tree skirt. I will be putting this pattern available in the near future. I will have another video with a different use for this pattern. And until then, I hope you enjoyed this, my first crochet tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below how I did. Feedback appreciated. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye.